multiply 0.2. Take root under answer value. 1 divided by answer multiply 0.11. 2.24. Okay. So Z tabulated is greater than here. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
So S naught is rejected.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other confusion?
Sir, if we get Z calculated value as negative, then should we take mod?
Yeah. We have to take mod value. There is no negative value in any case. You can see even in Z table. Any value is given negative value in Z table? Hello? Hello?
Sir, only for left testing only it's given Z alpha is negative.
Which test?
When you get one tail test, in that for the left test it's given negative value.
Yeah, left test it should be. Left test okay. But this one is what? It should be left or right. In this case, what? It's a one tail or two test. So then
yes, sir. Yes,
it
sir.
should be positive value. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any other confusion?
No, no, sir. No, sir. Nothing. No, sir.
I have given some questions in last class.
Yes,
Friday.
sir. I got that, sir.
So any confusion in that? Any questions?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. You got all the answers. I think answers will be given there or not. Right. I think you got the all the solutions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then today we have to study moment genetic functions and characteristics. And we have some expectations such as formula value expectations and variance properties. So all are combined topic. Okay. Expectations.
Yes,
so
sir.
I'm going to start here moment genetic functions. So moment genetic functions, we know that mx of t is expectation of what? E to the power tx. And this one we can write e to the power tx f of x dx. Okay, for continuous distribution, for continuous distributions.
Yes, sir. Yes,
and for discrete it should be e to the power tx p of x, like that. Place of f of x we can use here p of x. Hello.
Okay, sir.
And we know that e to the power tx is what? Expansion of e to the power x. We can use
yes,
here
sir, yes.
1 plus tx whole square divided by factorial 2 tx whole by factorial 3 plus data up to infinite. Okay. When we are going to take expectation, so you can take here also expectations. Okay.
Yes.
So we can write expectation of 1. It should be 1. Expectation
yes,
of
sir.
1 is equal to 1 plus t into expectation of x. This can be found by some, you know that the formula expectation of x. Similarly, you can find also here t is square by factorial to the expectation of x square, so on like that. Okay, and we know that conditions for rth moment. We know that rth moment property. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Expectation x to the power r means what? It should be x to the power r f of x dx. Okay. So when r is equal to 1, then you can write this value. Hello.
Yes, sir.
R is equal to 2. So here r is equal to also to x square f of x. It should be, you can write expectation to x square. So name is what? It has some name like that. Me1 dash, me2 dash, whatever it like. So we can use here
Okay.
1 plus t me1 dash. Name is nothing but me1 means expectation of this value x. Mu2 dash means expectation of x square. So we can write here mu2 dash. Okay. Similarly, you can write
Yes, sir.
up to
Yes.
r when whatever is r to the power t to the power r divided by factorial r or mu r dash. We can write. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So it's a basic formula, and from this expression we can find here also some relations. Suppose t equal to 0. Okay, t equal to 0. So it will be one value. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose we want to find mu1 dash. Then what we
Okay.
have to do here? Then what we have to do here? Just differentiate this equation both sides with respect to t. Hello. This equation
Yes, sir.
just
Yes, sir.
differentiate both sides with respect to t. So it will be what? It will be mu1 dash, and remaining just put it at t equal to 0. So it should be mu1 dash. So here it will be how much? D of dt e to the power expectation of e to the power tx at t equal to 0. It's a mu1 dash value. It's a mu1 dash value. Similarly, we can find differentiate two times in this equation. So this part 0, this part also 0. It will be mu2 2 dash. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hello? Mu2 2 dash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So mu2 2 dash means we have to differentiate two times.
Two times. Yes, sir.
Expectation is equal to x. So similarly, we can write up to r means what we have. We can find mu r dash. Mu r dash means what? D r by dx or whatever dt. Dt is there, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dt r here. Okay, and here is e to the power. Sorry, expectation of e to the power tx at t equal to 0. It's a general value to find mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 whatever. So you can put here r value, you will get the mu1, mu2, mu3 whatever is there. It's a general formula.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. So some limitation is there for moment generating functions.
Okay. Okay.
So what is their limitations means? Write down. First point. A random variable x may have no moment. A random variable capital X may have no moment, although its moment generating function exists. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So we can say that suppose I have some functions and random variable x is given, even that random variable moment generating function is existing, but there is no any moment. Means there is no mu1, mu0, whatever is there. There is no any moment value. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And for example, you can find here. Just I'm writing function. Just you can check x plus 1. Okay. So just use the basic concept whatever is moment generating you can find here. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You can do your home. Okay, same concept and just check it. And it will be like that. I think m x of t should be 1 at t equal to 0. So in this case, there
Okay.
is
Okay.
no moment. I think so. There is no moment here. Hello.
No, sir. No, sir.
Because t greater than 0, when t greater than 0, there will no exist any expectation value. So by checking, you can by solving, you can check it. Okay, do your at home is your homework. If any comes, then F1 asks me. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's a very basic concept here. F of x is given, you have to find your moment generating function. That's all. And final value, it will become like that. When you will find the moment generating function, it will be like that. Mx of t is nothing but 1 plus. It's a final value I'm going to writing here.
Okay.
Minus tx minus 1, like that. Okay. And log 1 minus e to the power t. See, this is the final value here. When we're going to integrate or take expectation, whatever is there, f of x, we will get like that. See, from this you can see easily. If t greater than 0, means what? This will be going to be increased value more than 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you know that law property should not be negative value.
Yes, sir.
If t is greater than 0, it will be what? Negative. So log will negative value does not exist log value. So you can say
Yes,
that
sir. Yes, sir.
moment generating function will not exist.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For t greater than 0, but t less than 0, it will be exist. It will be exist. Hello? It will be exist.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
moment generating function, it will not exist at t equal to 0. When you are going to put t equal to 0, it should be what? It should not be existing here. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next point is next limitations you can write here. It's very important. Next limitation is a random variable x can have moment generating functions. A moment generating functions can have moment. Hello, a random variable x can have moment
sir.
generating functions and some in bracket or all moments, comma, yet the moment generating function does not generate the moment. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
A random variable x can have moment generating function and some or all moments, comma, yet the moment generating function does not generate the moment. It's a second limit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And in this case, we have to use here this concept. We can write here. Use you have to actually check here is it correct or not. E to the power minus tx. You know that, but so it should be t. No. Hello.
T, sir. T. Yes, sir.
And divided by factorial, but it should be x.
Yes, sir. X factorial. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can use from here, and then you can find you see you will be get your answer. And so they are asking means what x random variable have some moment generating function or odd one, but yet it will not generate any moment. Means moment generating function is there, but moment is not there. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think there is no any. They will not means ask either. They will not
Okay,
ask.
okay.
Just I'm just explaining what is the concept limitations. So some limitation is there. You know all the limitation of the moment generating functions. Where is moment generating functions has some limitation or not. So we have some 3 and 4 limitation is there. It's very important. From second
Okay,
we can say suppose we have one random variables and we have some moment generating function also, but it should not provide any moment. We have moment generating function, but it's not generating any moment. So very important point here. Okay. Moment generating function means what? Moment generating function is generating the moment, but it
Yes,
has
sir.
moment generating, but it's not generating any moment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to writing a direct of formula because we know only formula, won't go through the derivation. Okay. So in this case, we will get mx of t equal to summation e to the power t into 2 to the power x. Limit will x0 to infinite, x0 to infinite. Okay. Into this one. And after solving, we will get like some value here. I think it should be from this equation you can find. Okay. Here you can say there is no any moment generating. So there is no any moment. It has some moment generating, but there is no any moment. You can see it there. Hello. Hello. Hello.